Hey guys, in this quick guide, I'll show you how to see hidden information on Facebook Marketplace. First, sign into your Facebook account, then head over to Marketplace from the left side menu. Search for the item you're interested in. For example, I'll open up a PlayStation listing. Now, here's the trick. Go up to the web address bar and replace the UW with just the letter M. Then hit enter. If it doesn't refresh right away, make sure you keep the HTTPS part of the address, only replace the www dot. Then press enter again to load the mobile view. In some cases, the layout may not change. If that happens, right-click anywhere on the page and select Inspect. At the top of the Tools panel, click the Toggle Device toolbar to switch into Mobile View. Now, once again, change the URL to m.facebook.com and press Enter. You should see the page reload with a mobile layout. Exit the Device toolbar, and now you should notice extra details showing up on the listing. Information that was hidden before, and that's all there is to it. By switching to the mobile version, you can often uncover details that don't show on desktop. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more tutorials.